So, the stock market tumbled today, as it has been tumbling over this week. And I just wanted to say that you probably shouldn't worry about it. People are starting to worry about it. And, I mean, there are things that you can do, things that I'm going to maybe do if we do actually start selling seriously this year. But who knows what's going to actually happen. It's just been a week. We've been basically going up in the stock market since Barack Obama took office, which is quite some time. I wouldn't necessarily give him the credit for that. I'm sure he would take it, and I would too if I was the president at the time. But I just want to say I wouldn't worry about it too much if you are a smart investor. And I say that because as a smart investor, you should know your risk tolerances, and you should know how much money you would be losing or could be losing at a certain time. So take someone like me, for example. I'm in my mid-30s, and I'm pretty heavily invested in stocks. I probably should be a little less, but I am, because I'm open to the risk. But even if I was 60 years old, if I was a smart investor, then I would be not so heavily invested in stocks. And even if we were entering a 2-year bear market or something right now, which who knows, probably not, but even if we were, I would be 20 or 30, maybe 40% at the most invested in stocks. So even if I lost a bunch of money, I wouldn't be losing it out of my entire portfolio, because that would be what a smart investor would do. And I would just caution people who understand the market. They know if they're smart investors, they know if their money is properly invested, and they know not to worry about it. So if you're worried about it, if you are starting to freak out, I would just encourage you to make sure that you are a smart investor. And if you don't know, find out. You can pay people to make sure that your money is invested in the right things. Most of the companies have actual stocks that are earmarked for a retirement date. So if you want to retire in 2060, you buy the 2060 fund, and they will do all the work for you. They'll charge you a little extra money, but you know what? If I had no idea where my money needed to be, I would be willing to pay that extra cash to make sure it's safely put to work properly. So I just wanted to make a quick video and say not to worry about whatever's happening. If the markets continue to sell, then you should be looking to buy. That's what I would say. All right, because if the world is ending, stock markets and money aren't going to help you at all. So have a good night.